Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a fun little DIY for you guys. All right, so I created my own set of Gingy Digitals, and there are two options that you guys can purchase. Each one is $10. This is the print and fussy cut option, and I made this for people who don't want to deal with or don't know how to deal with cutting machines such as a Silhouette or a Cricut. Okay, so if you just want to go old school and you want to print and fussy cut, this is the option for you. There are a total of 10 designs, and then with the fussy cut sheet, I went ahead and used all 10 designs, and then some of them have like 2 of each image, some of them have 3, and they're different sizes, so you guys can have tons of ephemera to do what you want. You know, you can decorate. There's tons of products you can create with these guys, but I will link the original video if you want to see all these in depth. And then I have another option that is also $10, where you just get the cut files for all 10 of the designs. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 Gingy designs. There's a peppermint design, a house. I printed it on this one. Let me show you this one, but it did get cut off on my printer. So Be Merry, we have a bow banner, the cutest cupcake, a little Gingy house. There's 2 different bow options. We have this one and this one, and then you get all of these. I don't want to say options. The peppermint, and then with the 3 Gingys. Okay, so they got cut off on the bottom, but I'm still going to use this. So these are the 10 designs for the print and cut, 10 designs also for the fussy cut sheet, but there's more because, again, I size them in different sizes. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. If anyone is interested, please support your girl. Purchase this from me. You can hit me up on Instagram and let me know your PayPal address, email, or if you have Cash App. I also accept Cash App. And then let me know the email you want me to send your digital file to. Okay, guys? So I wanted to do a project. I actually did do a project that I shared with you guys on a couple of lives ago. I used a little Gingys for these tickets. This one here, so cute, guys. There's so many things. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and make sure that you guys follow me, because I do post a lot on my community tab. I have a few guest designers for this set, and they have been making some amazing projects, guys, and I need you guys to go show them some love. Go subscribe to their channel, and you can get some inspiration on how to use these digitals. Okay, so for this video, I wanted to make a cute little shirt for my baby Ava. You guys, she is my 4-year-old. So I got her, first of all, I ordered on Amazon, and I'll link this down below. It is called Trans Hour Dream True Heat Transfer Paper for dark fabric. Okay, and this is for your printers. I bought this off of Amazon, you guys, and I bought this specifically to use my designs. You see how it gives you tons of examples, but we're gonna make a cute little shirt, guys. This will be the cutest idea for your grandbabies. If you guys want to do a cute little matching theme for Christmas, oh my god, that would be so cute. If anyone does that, please tag me in your pictures. I would love to see that. But you can have, everyone can have the same image on their, you know, you can get pajamas and do this. You can do this with so many things, you guys. So I went to Walmart and I purchased this little t-shirt. I think it was like $6 or something like that. And I went ahead and I cut out, look at how cute. I printed on that paper and I cut out this little Gingy girl. I thought this was perfect for my baby Ava. And you're supposed to peel off the back. So let me do that real quick. So just print this on your printer. That's all you got to do. You don't need anything special for this. Just a paper. And I think I only paid $10 for that pack. And it's for dark colored shirts. I also have a black canvas bag I'm thinking about putting the cupcake on. But I don't know if my girls are going to rock that. They probably feel like this is too kiddie for them. But guys, I love the way these images came out. And I hope that you guys love them too. And you will go and snatch them from me. I put a lot of work into these. Hey, I need to get this off. Okay. So you just peel this back part off. And I just fussy cut this, guys. You can also, if you have a silhouette or a Cricut, you can print and then cut this on those machines, okay? But I just went ahead and fussy cut this because I know a lot of us don't have these machines, don't know how to use them, don't want to be bothered with them, whatever the case may be. So I'm going to take our iron-on image and I'm going to place it where I want it. And I think that that's a good spot. I probably need to buy one of those little guides that they sell for t-shirts so you can see exactly where to place it. But I'm going to try to, I think that's pretty good. Here, let's move that like that. All right, and then there's Teflon sheets actually in this package. So you don't have to worry about that, but I have some of my own and I'm just gonna use my own. So I have it where I want it. Let me just make sure again that it's centered. This is so cute. It just reminds me of my baby Ava with her little pigtails. The gingerbread house will look so cute. And then you're just gonna iron this on, okay? You can use a regular iron. And it says that you have to iron this twice. So I'm just gonna take my time. Oh, I have this on low. Let me put it on high. It says to do high temp. And you're just gonna iron this on, you guys. That's simple. These will look so cute on a canvas bag. Okay, there's one pass. Let's do another pass. I had it on low all this time, guys. So you can do this again with a regular iron. Just use a Teflon sheet or a towel. So guys, I hope to see your projects. I hope you snatch this for me and you create something really cute. And make sure you tag me so I can share. I would love to share your ideas on what you would do with these digitals. I'm super happy with how they came out. They are adorable. Okay. That should be good. Let's see. Gotta let this cool down a little bit. Yeah, but there you go. So now Ava has this cute little Gingy shirt. They also had like a dark pink. I probably should have grabbed that one too, but I really wanted to grab the black, okay? So there goes that. Let me go get some little pouches because I did print out these. And we can fussy cut these and put them onto some other items. So I'll be right back. All right, so I got my little canvas bags. I purchased a ton of these from Amazon. You get a ton. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna run out of these unless I sell them. And they like, people actually buy like 5 or 6 at a time or 10. There's a ton in here. So I'm gonna iron my bag to get it nice. And then let it cool down a little bit. And let's go ahead and let's do this bow. So again, I printed this on that iron-on printable paper. Let's fussy cut this. I want to leave a cute little white edge. Again, you can cut these on your cutting machines, you guys, okay? But I'm doing this video for those who possibly don't have a cutting machine. Okay. So we're just gonna cut this out and iron it on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't like how I cut that. I should lift that one like this. That's okay. Let me get in there. I'm gonna have to cut this like that. Hopefully it'll be better. Let's see. I think it'll look better. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna go with it. Let me see. Do I want to add the Mary? Is the Mary too big? Let's go ahead and add it. So again, I hope you guys feel inspired and you snatch these digitals from me. I would love to see your ideas and what you do with them. And again, check out my guest designers because they've been making some awesome projects. There's going to be some more projects coming up. And I would love for you guys to go check them out. Make sure you guys tag me if you do use these for those that purchased it, because you may get a chance to be a guest designer on my next one, my next set of digitals. All right, so we have to take this paper off. There we go. So yeah, I just want to show you guys something different. So we want to do the Be Merry on top. No, I think I'll do it on the bottom. Raise this up a bit, like about right there. Let's go ahead and peel the back off of this. So look at how simple this is. You just need that printable iron-on vinyl. I say go with the dark one because we're going to see if we could do this on light. That way you have both options. You know what I mean? So the bow, let's place it, I think about there. Take our little Teflon sheet. I want to make sure that this is not folding. Okay, you can kind of see it through there. And let's go ahead and iron it. It says to do it twice. So these are going to be super quick, guys. Just print out all of your images that you want, your designs. Have them cut and ready, and you can go to town and make all kind of projects. All right, looks like I'm doing it more than twice. Look at how cute. Cute little bag. Let's do one more, guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but these are just coming out so cute. Let's do the gingerbread house. All right, I'm trying to get the string straight. And then you can put some cute little beads on the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and cut out this gingerbread house. I'm just gonna do an ugly cut and then fix it up. So you see, I just printed a bunch of them on one sheet and I sized them pretty big. So just to show you guys the possibilities. So I'm going to leave my Instagram down below. That's where you would message me and let me know if you want to purchase these Gingy ephemera pack digital. And just let me know whether you want to get the fussy cut option or the cutting machine option, okay? And they're $10 each, so whichever one you would like. So it comes up to basically $1 a design. I just don't want to sell myself short, you guys. I think that that's a reasonable price. It's just all about, you know, whether you want to have these or whether you want to support me by grabbing them. Okay, let's fix this little piece right here. I want them to match. There we go. Look at how cute. Let's go ahead and peel off the back. Ooh, I'm burning my mat. Look at this. Let me put another Teflon sheet down. Let's go ahead and iron our bag. We'll have this one come on the side right there. The strings. We'll iron this. Get it nice and flat. Let me know if you guys are interested in the link for these bags. I made a lot of projects with them, and I love every time I play with them. Okay, so we're just gonna remove the backing. We're gonna place our image. Look at how cute. Oh my God, so adorable. I think I like that placement. And then let's go ahead and put the Teflon sheet on top and iron it on. And there we go, you guys. Let me give it one more pass. I think it's really on there though. One more pass for good luck. Okay. And there you have it, guys. There goes our 3 little projects. This cute little Gingy bag. Oh my God, it's so adorable. I'm gonna put some beads on it. And I'm probably gonna put some little gems on here to spruce it up a little bit more. But this would be great for Happy Meal or stocking stuffers. Look at how cute they came out, you guys. I love them. So there goes those 2. And then we created the shirt for Ava. Look at how adorable. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. Go check out, message me on Instagram if you're interested in grabbing these digitals. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.